Hello friends, welcome to online lecture series of discrete mathematics. Now today we will see what is the inclusion-exclusion principle. So let A and B be the any two finite sets. Then the number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Here number of A means number of elements in set A, or number of atoms contained by the set A, right? And number of B, and we have exclude, that is number of A intersection B, or this also denoted as like this, that is a so denoted like this: A mod of A plus mod of B minus A mod of A intersection. So this formula also we can write like this: is mod of A union B is equal to A plus B minus A intersection B. So this is the example here. Suppose A, B, C are the finite sets. Then A intersection B intersection C is a finite. And so what is the formula? What is the principal inclusion-exclusion theorem for the three sets? So here we can write like this: is A is mod of A union B union C is mod of A plus mod of B plus mod of C minus mod of A intersection B mod of A intersection C mod of B intersection C plus mod of A intersection B intersection C. So this is the formula for three sets, and this one is the formula for your two sets. If any example containing the two sets, then you can write like this: A union B, right? A plus B minus A intersection B. Same for three sets: A union B union C is equal to A plus B plus C minus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. So we'll see the example for this principle of inclusion-exclusion theorem. So in a town of 1,000 families, sorry, 10,000 families, it was found that 40% of families buy newspaper A, 20% family buy newspaper B, and 10% family buy newspaper C. So here 5% family buy newspaper A and B, 3% family buy newspaper B and C, 4% family buy newspaper A and C. If 2% family buy all the newspapers, find the number of families which buy number of family which buy all three newspapers, number of family which buy newspaper A only, the number of family which buy newspaper B only, a number of family which buy newspaper C only, a number of family which buy none of ABC. So whatever these questions are here, right? So we solve this question by using the Venn diagram. So what is this Venn diagram? So Venn diagram is a pictorial, or to say pictorial representation of the sets. So whatever different sets are involved in a given example, right? So the representations of that set is nothing. There's a pictorial representation of that sets is nothing but your Venn diagram. So using this Venn diagram, you can find out the answer of these questions. So using Venn diagram, it is very easy to find out the each and every regions or every each and every values of the sets, right? So we'll see how to draw the Venn diagram. So here, see here, here 10,000 families, right? So how many sets? First of all, you have to find out how many sets in a given example. So A, then second one is B, and third one is C. So there are three newspapers are there. So there are three sets, and total number of, so there are three sets. This is your A, this one is your B, and this one is your C, and this one is your sorry, set of. So this is your A, B, and C. So 40% of family buy newspaper A. So this one is a 40. 20% B. So this one is a 20. And 10% C. So this one is a C. This one is a 20%. Okay. Next, a 5% family buy newspaper A and B. So this part. So this whole part is nothing but the 5%. Then 3% family buy B and C. So B and C. So this one, this part is only 3%. And 4% family buy A and C. So this part is 4%. So if 2% family buy all the newspapers, 2% family buy all the newspapers. So all the newspapers. So this is nothing but the 2% family. This common part. So who buy this A also, B also, and C also. So this all three papers, right? This 2% family buy all the three newspapers, means this part. This between is a 2%. So whenever this is 2%, then this is your 3%. Whenever this is 2%, this is your 1%. And here this one is your 2%. This one is your 2%. Because total part is 5. So 3 plus 2, 5. This total part is 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. This total part is 4. So 2 plus 2 is, right? So here, if this part 3 plus 2 plus 2, right? 3 plus 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 7. 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So if this part is 7, then this part is 30. If 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. This one is 6. So if this part is 6 of this circle, right? For this circle, this part is 6. Then this one is a 40. And if 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. So this one is a 5. So this blank part is, so this one is 14. This one is 5. Right? And this one is a 30. So this is the Venn diagram. And whatever in this rectangle is here, this rectangle means what? This is a 10,000 families. Okay, 10,000 families. So here we'll see. So got it? How to draw this Venn diagram? So using this Venn diagram, we can find out whatever questions asked for this example. You can find out the answer for this questions very easily, because here we have to find we have already find out each and every region, right, for the given Venn diagram. So we'll see questions one by one. So here, see this. This is a Venn diagram. So here, this is a diagram, right? Venn diagram. So number of families which buy all the 3 newspapers, right? Number of families which buy all the 3 newspapers means here you have to find out this part, this one, this one. Sorry, not this one. This whole part. You have to find out this whole part. This whole part we have to find out. Meaning is that is A union B union C. We have to find out. So we know the formula. There is principle of inclusion exclusion theorem. There is A plus B plus C minus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. So we know the value for each set, right? Value of each term, it is A, B, C. So A is 40%, B is 20%, C is 10%, right? They already given. So intersection is also given, that is A intersection B is 5, right? A intersection C is A intersection C is 4, right? And this B intersection C is 2, so 3, right? And this plus A intersection B intersection C. So this middle part. So that is the answer is a 60%. You calculate this one, so we will get a 60%. So the answer, number of families which buy all the 3 newspapers, 60% family, right, which buy all 3 newspapers. So second question, number of families which buy a newspaper A only. What? A only. So here A only. So A only means what? We have to find out this part. So this part. So this part containing the 33%. Right? So this whole part is 40, right? 40, and we have to minus this part. Right? So 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 7. 40 minus 7, that is 33%. So by Venn diagram you already calculated, right? This part is a 33%. So answer is a 33%. Second, number of family which buy a newspaper B only. So this part B only. So this part. So this part is only a 40%. So answer is a 14%, not 40. That is 14%. Is 1/4. Right? See, number of families which buy newspaper C only. So this part C only. Right? So answer is a 5%. So number of families which buy none of A, B, C. A, B, C. So here we have to find out the people, right, who doesn't buy any of the 3, right, means outside of this. We have to find out outside of this one. Outside of this one. So outside of this one part means what? Whatever your A union B union C, right? Whatever this A union B union C. So negation of this part, right? So negation of this part we have to find out. We know this part is A union B union C is your 60%, right? So negation means what? Is 100 minus, right? 100 minus this A union B union C. So what is A union B union C? A union B union C already find out in our first question, that is 60%. So 100 minus 16 is at 40%. So the number of families which buy none of A, B, C is a 40%. What is a 40%? Next question, number of families which buy exactly only a one newspaper. Exactly only one newspaper. So you see which part is in one newspaper. See here in Venn diagram. So this portion is only one newspaper, only A, right? Who buy only A. Here this portion is only who buy only B, and this portion, right, who buy only C. So addition of this 33 plus 14 plus 5 is nothing whatever. There is a 52% people which buy exactly a one newspaper. Seventh question, number of families which buy newspaper A and B only. A and B only. So here A and B only means what? This part. A and B, not C. That is a 3%. That is a 3%. So whenever any questions, whenever you draw a Venn diagram proper, right? Or whenever you draw any Venn diagram correctly, then you can solve this question very easily. Generally, this question is asked for 6 months in your university exams. So you have to remember, first of all, you have to draw the Venn diagram for a given example. If you draw this Venn diagram, so you can easily find out the answer of any questions. Whatever questions asked in a given questions, you can solve these questions very easily. So we stop here, right?